Hello, this video is going to go over the interactive notebook that you will have for each unit. These notebooks can be found in Google Slides, and they have a variety of different activities for students.
Yeah, we switched to Google Slides when COVID happened because it was the best way to create a template for students to easily use. So this is the template that we'll be giving you, and students will have access to these for all our units, and there'll be interactive things in here as well as some basic things in here. So we put our own stickers here, but we'll provide some more generic stickers for you and students to use. Some of the students really decorate their cover page, and it's really cute and fun, and some don't, and that's fine. So there's some slides that are more reflective, working on our social emotional learning, our get to know you, and then there's some slides that are more academic, focused on whatever we're learning, such as finding evidence for the Big Bang Theory. There's a variety of ways we're making this interactive. Some things are actually more drag and drop. So, for example, this is creating a model of a star, and students need to use these tools to create their own model of how nuclear fusion occurs inside of a star.
Yes.
So there's a variety of things that they're doing with plate tectonics, and they're all interactive. And so feel free to change these as needed. Some of them work on using data. Some of them are visual representations and modeling. And there's one for each unit to help you along the way. Anything else you want to add?
This is in Google Slides, so you can add slides as you see fit. You can take slides away. We just wanted to give a series of activities that could be integrated right away into a unit.
Yes, absolutely. So feel free to change these as you wish. Google Slides is super helpful, and the students like it because they can drag things much easier than a Google Doc. So we highly recommend, if you're doing an interactive notebook, use Google Slides and not Google Doc, just because of how it can spatially be interacted with, and you can divide the content. If you want to share this with your students, there's a couple ways to do that. We used Google Classroom.
Yes.
In Google Classroom, it was an assignment at the beginning of the year, and we only assigned it with a couple slides. How did we add the slides as the year went on? Because we didn't want them to have all the slides for the whole year. Because also we were, figuring it out as we were going, because COVID. And the one way we did it was an add-on called Slip and Slide, and you can actually slip slides into their journals from later on. Another way to do that is to create a master, where the students have access to your master that they cannot edit, but they can copy slides and paste them into their own journal. So it's up to you how you want to do that. Okay, that's it. That is how you do an interactive notebook. Feel free to add your own based on what your students are learning, and use this in place of a physical notebook or in addition to a physical notebook, because it's really up to you and how you want to use it, but there's lots of resources in there. Thank you.
Thank you.